Hi guys, this is a recap of what we did in class today. So you will see that there is now an essay section in your classwork tab. At the top of that section is something called Essay Checklist, which I just posted today, and I wanted to go through that so that you know what it is and how to use it. So when you open it up, you will see at the top that the due date for your final copy of the essay is Wednesday, December 16th at 11:59. That is midnight of day G. So you do have that entire day G to get in touch with me with any last minute questions before you turn it in. So there's a couple of notes at the top for you to be aware of. If you are not sure what you have handed in and where you should be as far as working on this, you need to reach out to me and ask. I will be happy to figure that out for you. You also need to do these assignments in order. The brainstorming graphic organizer, which is the first assignment as far as the essay is concerned, helps you write every other piece. So please do not start somewhere in the middle. It's not going to work out very well. I have attached screencast videos of me explaining each step and the slides that I use to break each step down. Please make sure that you are watching those videos and looking at the slides before you start asking me questions. A lot of the questions can be answered by those resources. And finally, each of the assignments is posted in Classroom in that essay section in your classwork tab that I showed you at the beginning of this video. So you'll see that I have it broken down into each of the sections. There's pre-writing, introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. These are the names of assignments. So the first thing you would work on is the brainstorming graphic organizer. So you can open that up and then you can watch the video tutorial of me explaining how you fill out that particular assignment. And there's a slideshow showing how that chart is going to help you with the rest of your paper. There's a lot of wording on this, so if you need the Spanish version, it is a separate file. Once you've got that done, you can move on to putting together your thesis statement. There is a tutorial here for that. Then to writing your introduction. So here are the slides, and then here is a video of me going over those slides and how you work through each step. And the same thing for body paragraph. Slides, tutorial of me explaining it. And this tutorial that's linked here is the same for all three. I just thought it was easier to link it at the end of each one. So the steps for the body paragraphs are the same for each one. You're going to write it, turn it in, read the comments that I give back to you, and revise your body paragraph for your final copy. And you can move on to the next one and the next one. If you are behind, you can write all of these and turn them in at the same time, and I will comment on all of them. And then finally, the conclusion, which we are not quite ready for yet, but the slides are there, and I will go over them next time I see you in class. So you want to open that essay checklist and find where you are to continue working. If you are up to date and you are working on what we're doing in class today, that was body paragraph 2. You'll see that I attached a new organizer that says body paragraph 2. It is exactly the same as body paragraph 1. So you will open that up. And on the slide that has the spaces for your work, you're going to write body paragraph 2 using the second quote from your thesis statement organizer. When you're done, make sure you turn it in, and I will comment on it, and then we will move on to body paragraph 3 in the next class.